So I'm just drilling my carbs so that it fits here. Putting a big 20, I think it's a 20 mil. Just a no-name Chinese carb. It's big. Anyway, should work much better. Modified the plate and had to drill the carb out slightly and bolt it right on there. My bolts are a little long, so I got 100 million washers, which is kind of redneck, but it gets the job done.
After welding enough to test, I reassemble. Tightening all my engine bolts using lock nuts.
Alright, so just cut my chain down to size here. I'll probably have to put a chain tensioner on it.
We will see.
Just something to pick up a bit of the slack. Because my motor is, I'm at a bit of length. But anyway, this is my
popping chains.
Chains, no problem. So, get this engine mounted. I got a hole in the one plate there, or one tube, to get that engine bolt from the bottom. The chain I'm liking, it looks pretty darn good. What I'm gonna do is just grind the face down on one side of this, and then I'm gonna use the shaft and center it on here. As you can see, you can center this gear because it fits almost perfect. And yeah, just weld them together.
Keeping them center is key.
Alright, it's going now. But anyway, there isn't much holding it. Anyway, hopefully enough.
Tack welding the nut to the sprocket so it doesn't move.
Getting a little close. Hee hee hee.
Well, it needs attention.
Oh, yeah. I was wondering what happened.
Making a tensioner roller. Oh yeah, we have a roller. First try with tensioner.
Oh, it moved forward.
In grinding the chain through the table, hee hee hee.
That was full throttle for a second.
The tire's expanding to the point where it's coming close to it. You see it?
No, I didn't see it from it. Yeah, I was looking more at this up here.